Welcome to your show. We are having top smartphones which you can buy in New Year 2022. The top one is Realme 8S 5G. It comes with a rear camera of 64 megapixel plus 8 megapixel, 2 megapixel and plus 2 megapixel. It's a quad camera and the front camera is of 16 megapixel and the processor in it is MediaTek Dimensity 810 5G processor, and the RAM and ROM are RAM is 8 GB and the ROM is 128 GB, and the battery you get is 5000 mAh battery, and the screen size of the phone is 6.5 inch, and it comes with a refresh rate of 90 Hz, and it comes with an attractive price of 17,999 after applying cashbacks, and the original price is 22,999, which is a fair deal. And on New Year you can get offers also. And the second phone which we have picked is Motorola G60. It comes with a rear camera 108 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. It's a quad camera, and the front camera comes with a 32 megapixel. It contains the processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G processor. Its ROM is 6 GB, RAM is 6 GB and the ROM is 128 GB. It comes with a battery of 6000 mAh battery, which is good enough. The screen size is 6.78 inch, and it comes with a refresh rate of 120 Hz, which is very fair. And it comes with a stock Android feature also. You will not get ads in it. And if you talk about the price, it comes with 16,499. And after applying the offers and cashback which you get online, you can get it at a fair price of 15,499. Now our next pick is Realme GT Master Edition phone. It comes with a rear camera of 64 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. It's a quad camera, and front megapixel comprises of 32 megapixel. Its processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G processor. The RAM which you get is 6 GB, ROM you get is 128 GB. The battery size is 4300 mAh battery. The screen size you get is 6.43 inch, and it is full HD plus display. The refresh rate which you get is 120 Hz. It's a gaming phone. You can get it at a price of 25,999, and on Flipkart sale, if you buy, you will get it approx 19,999. I think which is a fair price for a gaming phone. And the next pick of good smartphones, Poco M3 Pro. It is having rear camera 48 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, macro camera plus 2 megapixel, telephoto camera, and the front camera megapixel is 8 megapixel. The processor is MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor. Its RAM is 4 GB, ROM is 64 GB. Battery size is 5000 mAh battery. Screen size is 6.5 inch, full HD plus display, and the refresh rate is 90 Hz. And if we talk about the price, 15,999. And you can, if you apply offers also, you can get it at a price of 14,999 after getting discount on online. And the next pick which we have is Poco X3 Pro. it comes with a camera, rear camera 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. It's a quad camera. Front camera, it contains 16 megapixel, which is a good camera, and the processor is very flagship Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 processor, 800 series, and the ROM which you get is 128 GB and the RAM you get 8 GB. And the battery is 5160 mAh battery. Screen size is 6.67 inch, full HD plus display. The refresh rate which you get is 120 Hz. In this phone you can do gaming, video editing and multitasking also. Because this phone contains a Snapdragon 888 processor, so its performance is maximized, and it comes with a only price of 23,999, and if you take it in a New Year sale, you would get it at approx price of 19,999 in India. And the next pick which we have selected is a Samsung Galaxy F42 5G. It comes with a camera, rear camera 64 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, telephoto camera 2 megapixel, and the front camera comprises of 8 megapixel. And the processor is MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor. RAM you get 6 GB and the ROM you get 128 GB, which is enough, and the battery size is 5000 mAh. Screen size is 6.6 inch, full HD plus display. The refresh rate you get is 90 Hz. Its build quality and screen quality is very fine, and you can get it at a price of 23,999, and you can, after applying cashbacks, you can get it approximately 17,999. And the next pick is iQOO Z5 5G. It comes with a camera of rear camera 64 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel telephoto camera, and the front camera comprises of 16 megapixel. The processor is Snapdragon 778 5G processor. RAM is 6 GB, ROM is 128 GB. The battery which you get is 5000 mAh battery. Screen size is 6.67 inches. Refresh rate is 120 Hz and 260 Hz touch sampling rate which you get. It's a gaming smartphone series. It comes at a rich price of 23,999, and in the offer you can get it at a 19,490. And the next pick is Samsung Galaxy M32 5G. It comes with a camera, rear camera of 64 megapixel plus 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel, and the front camera comprises of 32 megapixel. The processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon 778 G octa-core 2.4 GHz. RAM you get is 6 GB, ROM you get 128 GB. The battery size is Monster 5000 mAh battery. Screen size is 6.7 inch, Super AMOLED plus Infinity O display. It's very good, and the refresh rate is 60 Hz. And its 5G services are on. You can, when you get 5G in your area, and it comes with a price of 20,999, and on the offer you get it by applying cashbacks 14,999 online. And the hot pick is this one, Redmi Note 10s. It comes with a camera of rear camera 64 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel telephoto camera. It's a quad pixel cameras. Front camera comprises of 13 megapixel. Processor is MediaTek Helio G95 octa-core processor, which is a gaming processor. It's a gaming phone. RAM you get is 6 GB and the ROM is 128 GB, which is good for gaming. The battery which you get is 5000 mAh battery. The screen size is 6.43 inch Super AMOLED display, which you rarely get in the Redmi Note phones. So it's effective. AMOLED display is very fine, and the refresh rate is 120 Hz. And if we talk about its price, it is 17,499, and if you apply offers and cashbacks you will get it at 14,999. So I think you like our hot picks list of best smartphones which you can buy in New Year 2022. So happy New Year 2022, and happy Merry Christmas. So let's like, share and subscribe your show, and tune in, and tap the bell icon to get more updates of technology like this, and various smartphones. Thank you.